painful. I don't deserve this. Traveling in the Netherlands is easy. You got flat land, beautiful cycling paths, a beautiful infrastructure to get around the whole country. There is one thing though, the weather. It's always rainy, it's windy, and when it's really windy, it's like climbing a mountain. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go on the Dutch coast, as exposed to the wind as I can possibly be, and I'm gonna climb it. Sort of. It's gonna be a headwind. This is one of the many systems the Netherlands has in place to save everyone's life. If things go bad, close the tree. Stay dry, hopefully. I made it to the sea. It rains a little bit, which is not ideal, but it's not too much. And now I'm gonna turn towards north, and this also means that the wind is gonna be on my side for the next, I don't know, 60 kilometers at least, which is great. And then I will worry about coming back into that headwind later. Cheers! It's one of the most beautiful places in the Netherlands. It's perfect for bikes. So wild and yet so accessible. Very quick break. I'm in Zandvoort. Starting now, I'm gonna have a headwind. It's gonna be fun. I was flying on the dunes. These places are just amazing. It's gonna be hard. Cheers. Wind much stronger than before, and so many kilometers in front of me. It's gonna be really painful. Found a place without a wind. It's very punishing. It's really, really punishing. So I guess I'm paying for the wonderful tailwind I had on the dunes. And now, yeah, it's gonna be like that till the way back home. I don't deserve this. Damn. I'm not sure I can get home. It's 35 kilometers to go, but my legs are done. My legs are done. What a ride! It has been difficult, it has been painful, but I've been in amazing places for the entire day, really amazing. The dunes are a magical place. I had lunch with my friends in Delft, and this gave me energy to finish. The wind made me burn more than one match, and I start saying things that do not make sense. Okay, no party, like a greenhouse party, because a greenhouse party don't stop. Situations like this bring up a lot of frustration and bring up a lot of emotions. So it's also nice to go through those things. Surely thought I was not going to make it, but eventually did. For how much punishing it was having that much wind for that long after more than 100 kilometers of riding already, I'm really happy that I could go through it. Probably my hardest ride, for sure the longest I ever did, but also one of the best. Now it's time to rest and time to prepare the next one, which hopefully is gonna be next week. Cheers!